Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to play Love Story on the piano. We'll start by identifying the song's key, which is D major. Then, we'll learn the four essential chords, D, A, B minor, and G. These four chords form the foundation of the entire song. Practicing this basic progression will give you a solid start before moving on to more complex parts. It's a great way to build muscle memory. Now, let's dive into the right-hand melody. We'll begin with the verse, focusing on the distinct melodic phrases. Pay close attention to the rhythm and phrasing to capture the song's feel. Next, we'll tackle the chorus melody, which is often more memorable and expansive. Once you're comfortable with both sections, practice transitioning between them to create a seamless performance. For the left hand, we'll start by playing the root notes of each chord, D, A, B, and G. This provides a solid harmonic foundation. Once you're comfortable with the roots, you can explore simple arpeggio patterns to add more texture and movement to your accompaniment. Try playing broken chords, for example. Gradually, practice combining these left-hand patterns with your right-hand melody, ensuring both hands work together. The final step is to bring both hands together. Start slowly, focusing on accuracy and coordination. Gradually increase your tempo as you become more comfortable. A metronome is an invaluable tool for maintaining a consistent rhythm and improving your timing. Remember, consistent practice, even for just 15 minutes each day, will yield the best results and help you master Love Story on the piano.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.